holidays, tiny friends. Today is day 8 of 12 days of a vintage Christmas. On day 1, I shared this free printable with you all. I also gave you some really helpful tips and suggestions when creating this free printable. It's a vintage Christmas decoration box set. This Christmas set was created by a miniature artist named Sarah from Amber's House Blogspot. If you're interested in making this free printable, you'll find a link in the description box below. If the link doesn't work, please just let me know in the comments below and I will fix it right away. To help you find the PDF link on the site, if you just scroll down past the first image, which will be an image of this Christmas set, underneath the 2 paragraphs after that image will be the words Christmas boxes. Just click on that. It'll take you to this free printable where you can either save it to your computer or print it out from there. So once again, from the bottom of my heart, Sarah, I'd like to thank you for creating and sharing this amazing Christmas set. It's absolutely adorable and very generous of you. This box set comes with a box of holiday snow, so I'll be making that today. I did look this box up to see what type of snow was in there, and it happened to be the loose type. But tiny friends, you don't have to put the loose type of snow in there. Make it your own. You can use white felt. You can use a piece of fabric, a piece of cotton. I know sometimes they use a fabric for a blanket of snow. So just use whatever you have. And tiny friends, it doesn't say snowflakes on the box. So who's really going to snow? I don't really know what this is. It's actually for nail art. It's like this crushed glitter or something like that. It's not glitter. It's like this crushed stuff. It is more of a cream color, but it does still glisten and sparkle a little. So I thought this might be good to use. I'm still searching to see what else I have, but I'll hold on to this just in case. Okay, I got my box cut out, and this box has 3 little tiny trees that you can cut out for windows. I'm going to add some cellophane for those windows. I just don't want any loose flakes falling out. If you are using a piece of fabric, you can totally skip this part if you'd like. It's up to you. Make your boxes the way you would like them to be. This box didn't come with an insert, so I made my own because I'll be using the loose snowflakes. So I'm just going to glue it to the card. Right now I'm placing a little bit of tacky glue around the top and the bottom and in between the sides of the trees, just to lay down my little cellophane window. They're super tiny, but totally noticeable. I also have some of these little white styrofoam balls, and they kind of sparkle. They have some sort of glitter on them. At first I thought I could maybe crush these up and use them as my snow, but to me they look like tiny little snowballs. So I'm gonna keep them, and maybe I'll make a little snowman out of them. I don't know. I'm definitely going to just add them to the scene for added detail. I'm going to use this container to catch all the glitter, and I'm also just using tacky glue for this. I'm going to place just a little bit right in the middle of the card. That's the only section I really need to do. Now I'm going to tap just a little bit on the middle section where I added the glue, and then I'll tap off the excess. I just want to see what it's going to look like behind these tiny windows. And I'm still not quite sure about this stuff, tiny friends. So I'm going to see what else I have. But before I do that, I'm going to add the rest of this back to the container. Okay, tiny friends, I did find something that I liked a little better. These are little iridescent stars, and they really glisten and sparkle, and they do kind of look like little snowflakes. So I'm going to brush a little bit of the cream off, not all of it. I'm going to leave some of it there. I'll add some more glue. Now I'm just going to sprinkle on a little bit of the stars. And although the camera doesn't really pick it up, it does look a lot better. So now it's time to put this little box together. But tiny friends, I'm not done yet. I'm going to add a little more glue to the top and bottom of the card. I decided to glue this piece right to the lid, just so you can see the snow a little better. I want to thank you all for joining me during this Christmas special. If you're just joining in and you've missed some previous days, you can also find a link to the playlist in the description box below. So thank you everybody for subscribing. Your support really does mean the most to me. I hope you all enjoyed this tiny little box of holiday snow, and it's totally fireproof. If you have, please click the like button and give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you thought in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that top bell notification button to be notified every time I upload a new project. Come back for day 9 to see what I make next. And tiny friends, I'll be saving my favorite 2 pieces for the last 2 days. So until then, happy holidays.